Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making banana bread, so let's get right into the video. So I'm going to start by mashing my bananas first, and I'm going to use a spoon, but you can also use a blender for this. I'm using a spoon because I prefer the consistency, so I can control my consistency in how I want the mashed banana to look. So yeah, I'm done, and this is what I want. So now we're into a bowl. I'm just going to add some butter, brown sugar, and I'm going to mix this using my hand mixer until it's slightly fluffy. So guys, I'm done mixing, and this is how fluffy I want this to look. This is my preferred consistency. So I will then add some warm milk into the bowl. I will also be adding 1 egg into it as well, and I will stir and mix that properly, guys. You know, with banana bread, you have to be very careful with how much you mix. So in that, I will also add my mashed bananas to the bowl, and I will add some vanilla extract as well, and a little bit of cinnamon powder, guys. So I'm going to stir this. See how flavorful this banana bread is going to taste. Anyways, so after that, I will add my all-purpose flour, and I will also add some baking soda, and I will mix that properly until all the ingredients have been incorporated together. Guys, just because I'm extra, I'm just going to add some dried raisins to it, and I'm going to stir this as well. So after that, I will stir this, and after that I will pour into my baking pan, and I've already lined my baking pan with a baking sheet. So I'm just going to add this mixture into the baking pan. So after this, I'm going to add some crushed cashew nuts, and I'm just going to put this in the oven and allow it to bake for 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Guys, this is our banana bread. It looks so fluffy and yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.